everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And it's been another busy week in January. We've had nice weather up until now, and now we're supposed to get some really bad weather. So this has been a super busy week. Started out on Saturday by taking down all the Christmas decorations. It was January the 6th, and that's the end of Christmas and the beginning of Carnival season. Now, Carnival season is a Mardi Gras celebration, usually for the French in New Orleans and stuff, but we've been celebrating it for a while now. So I took all the Christmas decorations down, packed them away downstairs, and put out the Mardi Gras decorations. Now, I don't go crazy with this because really, after Christmas, Christmas you go crazy. It looks like joy just threw up all over your house. And by the end of Christmas season, if you're like me, it's like, I got to get this stuff out of my house. I want my house back down to a reasonable clutter and not over cluttered. So that kind of spurs me on to start my deep clean for the year. I try to get that done at the beginning of the year. So I don't put out nearly as many decorations for Mardi Gras as I do for Christmas. In fact, the only things I really do are the table and the tree and the wreath outside. So this is what the table looks like. Not much, just a few things. And I'll take you in and show you what the tree looks like. I did leave a few my snowmen out. They're wintry. This guy stays out all year round. It was one of the last things my mom got me, and I'm crazy about snowmen. And that's the Mardi Gras tree. It's just done in the colors of Mardi Gras, which is gold, purple, and green are the main colors for Mardi Gras. So it's done. I did that Saturday. Well, Saturday I also found a tick on shoes, which was a huge thing on her face. And I couldn't really understand why she had it, because she's taking her heartworm medicine, which is supposed to be for ticks and fleas, but she was about 8 days late on getting it because of the holiday season. And so I'm thinking that's why she had it. Anyway, I took the tick off, removed it, and took care of that. And then on Sunday we went to church, and then afterwards we went to Franklin to meet our oldest son and have lunch with him. Got back in time to feed the animals again. On Monday, my husband went to Brownstown, did some things in there. I started some laundry and did that. And I ordered some things for the cats, some self-warming pads to help keep them warm, so I don't have to use straw or anything. These are washable. I can just toss them into the washer and reuse them, unlike the straw. And then I also ordered another thermostat gauge for the snake enclosure, because the one I had was 16 years old and it's not working. It's not working anymore the way it should. It's reading lower than what the cool side reads, and it's got the heat, so I know it's off. So I bought a new one of those. It's supposed to get here tomorrow, Saturday. It's supposed to get here Saturday. And then after I got that done, we went to town to my dental appointment. Dental appointment turned out well, and I did have not a cavity, but I had a loose filling. So I had to make an appointment to go back on Wednesday to have that fixed. And then he had an eye appointment on Thursday. So we've been running back and forth to appointments. Nothing major. Everything turned out okay. But still, regular cleanups, regular checkups, those things. So we've been doing that. And then we had this... found out Monday, I think it was, that we were supposed to get this really bad weather. So we started preparing like crazy. We've been preparing all along, but we went and got extra water. We went and got extra food for the animals. So I keep one ahead. So I had to go and check and make sure I still had one ahead of everything. So I needed to buy some cat food, wet cat food. I needed to buy one ahead for that. Plus, we had to go and get the heaters for the new greenhouse. We had one for the old greenhouse, but we didn't have the tank for the new greenhouse. So we bought some tanks for those. And we hooked those up Tuesday and tested them. So if this turns to ice and snow, all we have to do is go out there and light them and turn them on. So they're ready. And that took a while, because you had to buy the tanks, you have to get them filled, and then you have to come home and test them, make sure they're not leaking, and then you had to test the heaters, make sure they're working. So that took most of the day doing. And also, I had this morning, Friday morning, I had to go out and put the plastic around the chicken coop. Now, chickens do not need a whole bunch in the wintertime. They need to be basically for the wind to be kept off of them. So I wrapped the coop and the run with plastic. And you leave one section open so that you have fresh air coming in. Not a big section, but still enough so fresh air comes in. And then I added straw to the flooring into the nesting boxes, just for them to have that little bit extra protection. It keeps the mud from getting all over them when the rain comes and when it melts and stuff. It kind of helps a barrier there. So the chicken's taken care of. I topped off its food today too. Took care of that. And Thursday I finally gave up on those sores. I had been treating them for 2 weeks, not getting anywhere. So I stopped in at the vet's office and talked to him. And now she's on another antibiotic. This is especially for skin sores. It also takes care of UTIs. So she's back on that. It's a more powerful antibiotic than what she's had before. So she started that on Friday morning. He also he ordered some pain pills for her. I haven't started those yet. I want to make sure. I don't like to start a whole bunch of medicine at once. Started the antibiotics first because I thought that was more important. The pain pills are mainly for her ear and for those sores to help her not have any pain from those. So started with the antibiotics. I'm still used to the wash and the ointment, which the ointment also helps lower the pain level. I notice after I put the ointment on, she's more active than she is before. So I will add the pain pills maybe tomorrow if I feel like she needs them. He told me to ice down her ear, not to use any hot compresses. Go ahead and finish with the ice. Do that 2 to 3 times a day if she'll let me. My middle son laughed the other day when I was doing it and said, I'm the only person that can do it. She does not like it, and she'll tolerate it if I do it, but nobody else. So we're icing her ear, and I have noticed that the swelling has gone down a little bit, so I will continue that. She's not as snappy about that as she was, so I know it's not hurting as much. So we're holding off on the pain pills until, like I said, I make sure that the antibiotics she has no reaction from them before I go to the next one. They did say I could up her arthritis medicine if I feel like it to half a tablet a day, 4th in the morning and 4th at night. So we'll see if that helps any. But that took care of Thursday, that and his eye doctor's appointment, and of course stopping at the store and picking up some groceries and stuff. Got a new heating lamp for the snake because I don't think the one I got is as good as it should be for this next cold weather that's coming. And I want to have backup in case one of them burns out during this time period. So I have a backup heating element for the snake. And also did a lot of laundry, trying to get the laundry done because I don't like to do laundry when the ground is completely frozen. I try to only do what I have to do. So I'm trying to get the rest of the laundry done that I can before the bad weather hits. Also, I'm deep cleaning the boys' room. I just have to do the windows yet and wash the curtains, and that room will be done. So it's been a busy week. So hopefully you stay safe out there. Remember also to check your emergency supplies, which I did on Friday. I went through my bug-out bags. My bug-out bags are just what they're saying. They're for when you have to leave for any reason. If you get flooded out, or a fire occurs, or a tornado occurs, earthquake occurs, anywhere where you have to leave your house. Those are what they're for. But they also contains your emergency supplies like extra candles and stuff like that. So I know where those are. And I checked out the extra food supply that we have that you can fix just over an open fire or on a grill. Check those. Make sure you have enough of that. Make sure you have water, plenty of water for both yourself and your animals. Make sure that you have plenty of blankets. Make sure you have equipment in your car, safety equipment in your car, extra food, extra water, blankets, anything that you might need if you got stuck somewhere in snow or run off the road and have to wait for a while. Make sure you have stuff in your car to keep you safe. So I checked that. I have that taken care of. So you can never be completely prepared for winter or for the unexpected emergencies, but you can try. And I think I've hopefully done the best I can do right now. And I guess it's been a busy week. So remember, like, share, subscribe, dream big, follow that dream, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, everybody. God bless. Bye.